Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bake in a preheated 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 10 to 14 minutes per pound, or until a meat thermometer registers 140 degrees Fahrenheit. To glaze this type of ham, turn the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, brush the ham with the glaze, and bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the glaze is browned and bubbling. Let stand for 10 minutes before slicing to serve.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The second key to a moist spiral ham is to wrap the ham with foil to help keep the moisture in. If you are planning to apply a glaze, do so in about the last 15 to 20 minutes of cooking with the foil removed. I wrap the ham tightly in heavy-duty aluminum foil. You don't need to wrap the bottom of the ham.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.